Hello, good day, traders. I want to welcome you to another trading week. Last week was quite awesome. We had over 1,000 pips generated from the trade setup, the forecast that was given right on this channel. And I believe we'll generate, something really good this week also. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, the channel is Learn Forex with Rotimi Olawale. And on this channel, I bring you Forex trading tips, trade setup that can be very profitable for any type of trader, either newbie, intermediate, or advanced. So subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button below and also click on the notification bell so that you can receive updates anytime I drop a new video. All right, let's go to what we have for this week. This week is the 11th of December to the 15th of December, and I have quite a number of instruments I want us to look at, which will mature for trading in the course of the week. Now, the first one is New Zealand CAD. Now, for this, all this trade setup I'm going to give, if you want the entry and the take profit level, just click the link below this video, which will take you to my Telegram channel, where you have access to receive the entry price and also the take profit levels for all of these trade calls. All right, so New Zealand CAD on daily time frame, we can see we have price hit a resistance zone up here on the daily time frame, and we have a rising wedge likewise. And if we flip down to 4-hour time frame, we still have that rising wedge, and we have a minor support zone. So anytime price breaks out below this support zone, we're going to see a bearish breakout on New Zealand CAD. So I'm bearish bias for New Zealand CAD this week. And next is a Euro USD. Now this is Euro USD. We can see is trending up on the daily time frame, and currently price, is testing that uptrend there. So we expect a breakout in the bullish direction. And on the 4-hour time frame, we have the rising wedge even down to 1 hour. So we have an uptrend on daily time frame and a falling wedge rather on 1 hour. So once price breaks out above the upper trend line, we expect Euro USD to go bullish, on the 4-hour time. I'm sorry, in the 1-hour time frame. And we can use our Fibonacci levels, as the take profit level. So you can use Fibonacci, drag, and expect price to break out, up to Fibonacci 61.8 or even as far as 78.6. All right. So we're bullish biased on Euro USD for this week. And the third is CAD JPY. Now, CAD JPY, you can see price hits a support zone on the daily time frame. And if we move over to the 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing the possibility of a double bottom. Price might come back to this, beginning of this support zone. It may not. It may get there or just at the tip of this, other low there, either of the two. But we expect a breakout upwards, to form a double bottom pattern. So I'm equally bullish biased, on CAD JPY. And this also we can use our Fibonacci levels, to set the take profit level for this. And it could be, in this particular, if we're using it, that means our price is almost close, just around the Fibonacci 50. And that's actually a reversal point. So I expect price to break out upwards from here, or if the volatility is strong, it will still get up to the Fibonacci 100. So a bullish bias on CAD JPY. Then we'll look at GBP USD. Now this is GBP USD on the daily time frame. We can see that price hit a resistance zone, broke out above the resistance. The resistance is now support, and we expect a bullish continuation, right there. So if we flip down to the 1-hour time frame, we have a falling wedge here, and we expect price to break out upwards from this to take a bullish trade on GBP USD. And we can also use our Fibonacci levels, to set our take profit level for this particular call. So I'm bullish biased on GBP USD, and also Euro AUD. We can see that price hit a support zone, and last Friday closed as a doji there on the support. Now this is two sides. On this definitely will lead to a bullish breakout on the daily time frame, and also I'm seeing the possibility of a double bottom pattern which equally means price will go bullish. So either ways we want to look at it, we have a bullish outlook on Euro AUD. And going down to 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing the formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which should lead to price, going real bullish. I expect price to possibly hit this level, the most recent high there as a take profit level, and the volatility is strong. Might come up to the next level up there as the second take profit, because we have a very perfect resistance here. So it's those two levels, price could hit here, and if the volatility, pushes further, then we can expect price to hit the second level up there. So I'm bullish biased on Euro AUD. Next, I look at gold. Gold on the daily time frame, we have a scenario of price hitting, a resistance, breaking above a resistance, and the resistance turns support, which should lead to a bullish movement on gold. And if you go down to the 1 hour time frame, I'm seeing gold forming a possible double bottom and breaking out to the resistance zone. So I hold a bullish bias on gold. It may still drop further later, but we might have a bullish movement on the short term, before we have a bearish breakout. So I'm bullish biased on gold. And next I have the dollar index. And for the dollar index, we can see price, is trading around a key level, the resistance level that has held severally. And currently price is back to that resistance zone. And technically we expect a bearish movement, on the dollar index due to this. And if you go down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing the possible formation of a double top pattern, which should lead to a bearish breakout. So I hold a bearish view on the dollar index. And also I have GBP JPY. Here we have two support zones, and this is where price is. Remember, we had a rejection candle on Friday, a very strong pin bar. So if we flip down to the 4 hour time frame, I expect price to, come back downwards to the support zone, form a double bottom, and break out, upwards. So I hold a bullish view on the dollar index. And if I'm to use my Fibonacci to gauge the profit level, it should just be like this. So you can see that price is actually close to Fibonacci 38.63 rather, which can lead to a breakout downwards temporarily before we have the double bottom form and price goes to Fibonacci 50, 61.8, or 78.6. So I'm bullish biased on GBP JPY. And same thing on Euro JPY, you can see price hit a very strong, support zone on the daily time frame, and on the 4 hour, I equally see the formation of a double bottom pattern, which should lead to a bullish breakout afterwards. And using Fibonacci also, we could have as much as, very good appreciable movement on this double bottom and a bullish breakout. And finally, we have the GBP AUD. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see prices bouncing off this trend line. And this is the third time price touched this trend line and it's already trying to bounce off. Then if we zoom down to the 1 hour time frame, we have the formation of an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which should lead to a bullish breakout, right? So price is expected to target this resistance level, as a take profit level. And if the volatility is strong, price could still go further to hit the second level up there. So I retain my bullish bias on GBP AUD. All right, that's all for my analysis for this week. Just click the link below this video to get to my Telegram channel, where you have access to the entry point and the take profit level. All right, I'll come back your way during the course of the week. Take care and safe trading. Bye for now.